How to prevent gray hair. Don't get alarmed if you've started to notice a few gray hairs here and there. First of all, there is nothing wrong with getting gray hair. In fact, many individuals are choosing to bleach and color their gray hair. However, it's okay if you don't like your grays. While genetics play a large role in the age and rate of graying, there are things you can do to slow the process. Here are some of the top strategies for retaining your natural hair color. We also dispel some widespread misconceptions about growing older that you may have heard. 1. Purchase enough vitamins. Vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, are crucial for healthy hair and skin. When you are deficient, your hair may prematurely start to lose some of its color or even fall out. It may fall out if you are zinc deficient, turning gray or bald, all of which you would want to avoid. Animal items including meat, fish, eggs, and poultry, as well as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and dairy all contain vitamins. 2. Use egg oil for massage. Twice a week, apply egg oil to your scalp and leave it on overnight. Antioxidant xanthophylls found in egg oil, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, prevent premature hair aging, graying, and even reverse early-stage gray hair. Covering your bed with a plastic sheet while it may be uncomfortable can save you a ton of time when it comes time to clean it. 3. Give up smoking. Early graying has been linked to tobacco use before the age of 30. One of the strong reasons to start taking steps to quit smoking right away is if you smoke and are worried about getting gray. It might not be tough to kick the habit on your own if you only smoke sometimes. If you smoke frequently, you probably need assistance quitting. 4. To stop hair loss, take proper care of your hair. While unhealthy hair does not age more quickly than healthy hair, it is more prone to fall out. Particularly as you begin to age, new hair that grows back frequently has less color than the previous hair. 5. To keep your hair vibrant, try some alternative natural solutions. While there aren't any conclusive studies to support the claim that natural supplements can stop gray hair in its tracks, there are a number of remedies that are widely used in India and other countries. 6. Avoid worrying about your tension. The most prevalent misconception regarding gray hair is probably that it appears more quickly while you're under stress. You've probably heard stressed-out parents yell at their disobedient kids, "You're going to give me gray hair," a million times. 7. Never believe that removing a single gray hair will result in the growth of other grays. That is an urban legend with no basis in reality. You shouldn't be concerned that pulling out a noticeable gray hair will start a mini gay hair explosion if you have one that bothers you every time you notice it. 8. Put aside your concerns that dyeing your hair will cause it to become gray. If you spent a lot of time coloring your hair every shade imaginable, you may have heard that coloring your hair causes it to become prematurely gray. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.